Alright, welcome back to the channel everybody. My name is Steven Aldaco. In today's video, we're going to show you how to recharge the air conditioning system in your Honda Element or any Honda with the K24 engine on it. It's almost summer and I've noticed my AC isn't blowing as cold as it's used to, so most likely it needs a recharge. So first thing you'll need is one of these. So this here is an Arctic freeze, and what you're looking for is that it's an R-134A. There's other brands, but I mean, as long as it's R-134A, that's what you're gonna wanna get. These are like 50 to 30 bucks, depending on where you get it. And there'll be a link down below in the description so you can buy one. Now this hose here is actually reusable, so you can hang on to that. So if you ever need a recharge in the future, you can. And if you buy this from like Pep Boys or any other like auto shop, you can return the can for a little bit of credit. I bought mine at Pep Boys and they'll give me a $10 credit. So let's get to working here. So we'll pop the hood here. So here's the Honda engine here, and over on the left hand side you're looking for the low side AC port. You can simply take this and unscrew it, set that aside, and then this is where you're going to connect that device. So next step, back inside of the car, you're going to go ahead and turn it on. Sorry for all the noise, but you're going to turn the AC on to full blast. Everything's on max AC, max cold, max fan, and then you're going to go ahead and grab a hold of your refrigerant. It's really important here that you shake this thing up a lot. Get it nice and shooken up. And you'll see here, it's just like a tire shredder valve. You'll take this end and connect it to the port. So here you'll see it has a gauge and mine is low. So now that it's shooken up, we're going to turn it upside down and we'll hold on to the little lever until it goes into the green. Make sure to not overfill here. So when you push down, it shows that it's low, but then when you release, it'll give you the PSI. You can keep shaking it throughout if you like. And this bottle will get really nice and cold. Okay, so the bottle here is filling pretty light. We're in the green zone. You wouldn't want to use a second bottle, but you can. I think this will be good for now. And now let's go inside and see if the AC is blowing any colder. Make sure to re-screw this back on. Oh yeah, that's definitely way colder. Excellent. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative, and hopefully you can save a few bucks by doing this job yourself. It's super easy. If you want to see more videos like this and follow my adventures in my Honda Element, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We're almost at our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and we hope to hit that by June 27th of this year, 2021. So thank you guys so much for your support, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.